Lot number 204 is a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This one appears to have a bad fuel pump. I poured some gas directly into the intake here, and I was able to start it up and drive it out here. And now I just poured some more gas in there, and I'm hoping to drive it back to the parking spot. Started right up. The motor sounds good. The automatic transmission engaged, and the AC blew warm. The AC compressor did not engage the whole time I had it running. The motor appears to be complete. It's got 120,000 miles. It's missing both headlights. All emergency equipment you see on here will be removed before the sale date. So that light bar and any other emergency equipment you see here will be removed. The interior on this one is a little wet and soggy. That passenger side door, the glass was smashed out. So there's glass inside, and it's been getting some rainwater in there. The rear seat is plastic, and again, it's full of water back here. There's some headlights there. I don't know if those are any good. A lot of water piled up back here. And again, this window was smashed out. The trim right there was banged. Looks like it was hit with something, and it's bent. The door opens and closes as it should. It's had a tarp. Covering the door there, so a lot of water hasn't gotten in, but it is very wet and moldy inside. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery here, and I'm gonna try and start it up so that you could hear the motor. I'll show you the miles and the hours. All right, there are the miles. 120,000 miles. It's got 4,300 hours. 120,000 miles. Now I'm gonna hit it. Let's see what happens. All right, started right up. I'm gonna go ahead and back it into the parking spot if I can. No, not this time. Motor sounds good. It appears to have a bad fuel pump. Oh, the AC compressor kicked in. I think that's why it shut off. Let me shut off the AC. All right, so I think it's out of fuel now. I'll have to put some more fuel in here and get it back into the spot. Either way, the motor sounds good. The automatic transmission engaged. And I think the AC may have kicked in. The AC compressor may have engaged. So there it is. It's lot number 204. The 2008 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 120,000 miles. Good luck.